Thanks again. So I was guided to talk about the prasads I keep to goddess. Um, Basically, apparently Ma Chandi. As you already know, I always get these guidances because of which I keep making these videos. So the latest guidance is that many people, in the way to put prasad, they are putting, onion, garlic, and stuff like that. So, since we are doing Satvic side of goddess puja, where we are not doing bali of animals and stuff like that, while we are doing the upasana, the food that we give to her also has to be Satvic. That means it has to be without onion and garlic. So she has given me a set of prasads which we all can give to her, offer to her for her blessings. So in this video, please know that my intention, you might find my videos very to the point because neither I'm a chef, neither I have experience in doing cooking videos. But since I'm guided to do it, I am trying to make it as clean as possible with my limited editing skills. So please again bear with it. So the one I'm making it today is um, the recipe again she has given me, which is more of the simple curd rice mixed with whatever fruits we have at home. So in this recipe that I have done, I have taken lychees, I've taken mangoes because it's mango season, banana, and then grapes, and then dates, then dried grapes, kaju, badam. We can additionally also put pomegranate and other fruits, whatever you feel like putting. And then once you get these, please clean it properly and then chop it into small, small pieces. And once you chop them, you cook rice. Like I just keep one small cup of rice, very small cup. And in that, I keep it aside. I pour water and keep it aside for 15-20 minutes. How do I do it for time optimization? As you already know, I have I have this. I've been working for almost 22 years, so I'm always having this at the back of my mind on optimizing time, multitasking. Just because at a very young age, I got to do work and go to the office and come back and again cook and stuff. So since I'm doing this part-time, I'm also learning to see how we can break it at a specific interval that is very valid, and then continue the cooking part, and then again do the parayan. So usually what I do is I start the prayers, and then when after I complete this Argalam, Navaman, and all of these, before the Pradama Charitam, what I go is I just soak water and rice and keep it aside. If at all I have to do anything with rice preparations, then again I break it in the fifth chapter. So once I break, I again wash it, again switch it on. So again, the rice will be cooking, and I'll be done with my parayan, and then all the part I complete, even including the Rahasyatrayam, Apradak Stotram, all of that. And once I reach there, by the time the rice is ready, so then I'll ask uh, either my helper to help me with certain chopping work. So he completes all the chopping and keeps things ready. And then I just mix all of that. So once the rice is ready, then there is curd, which is again, before the night we put in the milk, warm milk, the curd. It will become curd by morning. So uh, just mix that amply with hand, because once the rice, you just get it out from the cooker, and then nicely, mix it with hand so that it becomes like very like one we can like a ball. So just mix it properly and then put little salt and that's according to your taste and then put the curd. And once you put the curd, totally mix it. Once you mix it, please don't taste it and then put all the fruits that you have chopped. Chop everything very small pieces and then put all of them and again mix it. Okay, don't mix it like you're smashing those fruits, but put it like you should be able to see those grapes pieces, your dates pieces, your mango pieces. Just make it small, maybe half an inch or that size, not very small. And then once you mix it, it's ready. So please take that as the prasad. So um, uh, you will see some of these videos in the place I have put. So please do this as a prasad for one of the days when you are doing the upasana and let me know how it tastes. Usually, my experience is anything I make with as prasad. That day, I don't know the prasad. I'm sure you might also have experienced. The taste will be really awesome, even though we don't taste the salt and sugar. It's just right. So, and I get to hear also when I just put these prasadams to the God that it's tasty and stuff. It gives me encouragement that yeah, I should be doing more and more of this. So I'm sure. I mean, since I I'm able to hear to their voices, I can see the satisfaction. But I'm sure when you guys do also, God will be equally satisfied and bless you amply. So just watch this video and let me know if you could offer this prasadam to any god. I am doing it in the context of my Parayanam of Durga Saptasati. You can do it even for any Devi Ma prayers you can do, or you can also do it for Narayana. Lord Shiva, I'm not sure because I'm not offered. He's not a prasadam priya, right? He's happy with Abhishekam and stuff. So I have not tried giving these to Lord Shiva. But usually the voices I hear is Lord Venkateswar Swami and Ramachandi saying, yeah, it's very tasty. So I don't know about Lord Shiva. We can do or not, but just try in case if you feel like offering this kind of prasad to Lord Shiva also. Try it out and see how it feels for you. Thank you so much.